Yeah, that actually.
That's kind of where I wanted
Yeah,
it to
that
go.
was perfect, actually.
And that was my left hand. Right on.
Right for the shin. Yeah.
Thank you.
We're taking a walk
Yeah, like I mean, from
with
Korea
the
to
elephant.
US, one way it's like 1,200.
Yeah.
You know, and so I mean, I love my family,
Oh,
but I can see.
can't walk and videotape at the same time.
And then if
There's
they're napping,
Monica.
I can just turn off the computer.
Yeah,
Yeah, so.
They're big but fast.
yeah. Rough terrain. See where we are? Nowhere. You are correct.
And I'd rather put my money towards other uses. Like traveling, like, yeah, just saving up.
Don't let it.
Can you see them?
In love with when I was in Israel and wanted to make sure that after I graduated college I carried out into my adult life, and it was something I never forgot.
Mud. Mud bath. Mud bath.
Yep. There's only 3 of them there? 4 of them.
The other one.
The other one's up there.
Smart.
Did Nanny take? Yes.
Yeah. You're dirty. You're gonna drown. Oh my goodness. How long can they hold their breath? The little nose is sticking out.
It's like a snorkel.
Yay!
I was doing that too.
Oh my god, that's so cute. We should go customs.
What happened? Maybe have your breath, then sleep. Amazing.
Was he checking to make sure his eye was closed?
When they get milk, get together, sleep together. Twins.
I don't get to nap very well.
We're feeding the elephants. We'll say hi to the elephants. Watch out for the back. Here, Monica, feed the elephants. She's so beautiful. Is this Auntie? Is that Auntie?
Friend. That's the young
Oh, the young friend.
The teenage
So
friend.
we have Mama. If you look way down there, you'll see Mama. And then Auntie has the bigger dents in the forehead.
Nanny.
Nanny, they call her. And then this is their friend. And these are the two babies right there. And this is their older friend. The babies are...
They only have to chain them up because we're here.
Right.
They don't want
They're
us
only
to get
chaining
hurt.
up so we don't get hurt. They don't normally chain them up. Well, how old are the
Babies
babies?
are not chained up though.
How old are the babies?
They are 5?
5.
And this one's
This
6
one's
or 7.
7, I think. And she's not part of their family. She's just, she loves being around them.
Oh, pretty baby.
They're so pretty.
Hi, pretty
Say
baby.
hi to the camera. Soy.
Running.
Oh.
Ow!
This is amazing. I'm trying not to fall in a river in this moment. We're following the elephants in to the jungle. They're done being tour guides for the day. Got 2 babies and their friend, and Mommy and Nanny. Oh, sorry for that. The Mahouts are telling them they're going the wrong way. They listen. Most of the time.
mày không mua đứa nó. Bye.
They're being feisty today. Nanny doesn't want to listen, but I don't mind. I figure she should be as free as she wants to be.
Is this it for us? Do we keep following? Nice, we're going up there. Sweet.
No, then what do you know?
We're following the Mahouts into the jungle to follow behind the elephants. There's poop. It must be on the right path. Poop!
Baby poop, yeah.
No more?
Yeah, sir. Another side.
We've learned if they start to separate, we've got one across the way on that side of the river, and 2 on this side that have, well, maybe it's not 1 or 2. But we've been told when they want to separate is a good time for us to go back and let them be. So, I'll let you see. Here's the tree. There she comes. Oh, Nanny. Nanny? Mom.
Friend.
Oh, that's the baby.
Oh, wow.
Shabai Keo.
Shabai cow.
Shabai cow. Cow is K-A-O. I forget what it means.
Shabai cow.
Shabai Keo means the name of the flower. Shabai Keo is mean grass. Grass. The cup. Grass. Shabai Keo. Like a beautiful.
Like a little bouquet of flowers.
Beautiful. Beautiful name.
Yeah.
These beautiful trees. They keep the bells on them so that they can find them, to be able to feed them, make sure that they're safe and okay. The chains they don't leave on all the time. They're just for us to be safe, to be able to come and feed them and take care of them. So even though it's not the best to see them in...
We have to wait for...
Is there? Oh, we got some up the hill. Ah, there they are.
Just the one, because the other four are
One of them.
It's hard to tell from here. We've got some other ones there. Yeah, this is Mom and the two babies and their friend. Nanny took off up the hill. She was done for us for today. She's beautiful though.
Then anyone wanna say goodbye? Baby, mommy, and baby friend.
Bye, Mommy. Bye, guys. Oh, we're going back that way?
Yeah.
We're gonna say bye. Say bye, Mommy, babies, baby friend.
Give me Cassie. Hi, baby friend, Mama.
Bye, guys.
Did they take the chains off? No, the chains are still.
Okay. Bye for now.